This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout, just my trade journal market analysis. I do rule-based price action trading. Before I press buttons, though, I need to do the market analysis. Daily affirmation, I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules. Flexible and outcome expectations. Independent thinker. Impeccable risk manager. Precision-based trader. Responsible business manager. And here we are, a few minutes right before the RTH Open. On the left, we've got on Tuesday, December 12th, Nasdaq in the middle, ES, and we've got on the right, the mighty King Dollar. So let's go into the charts, look at the levels next. Here's a live chart, minutes to go before the RTH Open. You can see we wicked up on the left here, 16,545 on the Nasdaq, and currently we're down here at 16,454 by 453. We're flirting around that. On the ES, we candle wick premium up 46.95.75, call it 46.96. And the EMA for the 9 is at 46.44.5. Almost 2 days of air here. I'm flat on everything. I took some micro scalps earlier, but not doing anything until I get the time of day. Go ahead, and then we'll look at price. On the right, though, it's the dollar. We went all the way down so far to 103.49. Let's look at some levels here. So on the levels here, what I had on the ES, I had a liquidity void here, and you can see here that we dug into that. I'm trying to just get a little bit more into the daily fair gap. So again, we had a liquidity void. So you can see the dotted line was a consequent encroachment up here. So that goes back weeks and days. So that was the next draw on liquidity. I don't know if we go back and tag that, but my point is that is a major level on the daily. And below that, I just want to point out we have New York midnight, and that comes in at 46.79.75. London, again, 46.80.50. And then we have a fair value gap forming. It's not, I shouldn't call it a fair value gap yet, but if we take this big range day we had yesterday and the low that we just had, I'm just pointing out here, we do have a bit of a gap right here in this yellow box. And consequent encroachment of that is 46.69. And then the new week open gap here below for December 11th, way down here at 46.60. So those are the major levels. And on the right, the dollar, we have not yet hit this yellow box. And what is that? That is that weekly fair value gap. See how we went all the way back down to December 1st, RTH Open, beginning of the month on the dollar. So we discount wicked in there. The body of the candle, however, is going up. Remember, we've got FOMC tomorrow, FOMC 2 o'clock, the actual announcement, and then Powell speaks at 2:30 in the afternoon. So I'd like to be done with my trading by 11 a.m. Eastern today and just wait for the FOMC. It's just a chill week because of these big news events. So that's it. That's the breakdown. Again, I'm really just tightly holding on to any ROI gains made. I'm scalping intraday, and less is more for December. That was my original December plan, and we're getting closer and closer to the holidays, so it's not like I'm taking on large positions at all, and I'm just really having modest gains and then holding on to them. We'll see how the levels and the day unfolds. Thanks so much for watching. Shout out to the subscribers and those of you that throw out a like. Aloha and take care. Bye.